hugging people and laughing right now. Use the phone and leave a message. I'll watch it later and treasure it forever. Say something good. Make it count. Don't be shy. Welcome to my 60th birthday. Thank you.
Inviting us. And we're so happy para sa'yo dahil sa eto na yung pinakahihintay mong araw at nandito na tayong mga kaibigan, mga mahal na kamag-anak, lahat ng mga minamahal mo sa buhay.
Happy birthday! Happiest and blessed birthday! Sana mas marami ka pang bansa na maikot at sana isama mo na ang naka-office mate mo.
Naninita, happy 60th birthday po. And wish you all the best po again. And thank you po.
Hi, Ate Mads. Ate Tel ito. Happy birthday. Salamat sa pag-invite sa amin. At salamat dahil nandyan ka para sa amin lagi. Sa pagbabantay mo sa amin, sa aming mga gawain sa church. Enjoy Ate Mads. Dapat marami pang birthday ang maganap at dapat marami pang ganap. Happy birthday again.
Hello, Ate Nida. Happy birthday. You may have more birthdays to come. May you have good health. At marami pang ibang birthdays to come. More birthdays to come. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello. Hello, Ate Nidge. Message lang nga. Ate Nidge, happy birthday. Sa 60th anniversary birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. And God always in good health. Good health. Okay. Happy birthday, Ate Nidge.
I'm so happy that I'm honored to be one of your guests. Charot! Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for always being there for us. Sa napaka-pasensya at napakahabang pasensya mo sa amin. Sa mga kagaya kong makulit. Thank you for palagi ka namin na hihinga ng kung ano pa man. Lahat na lang yata na pwede naming hilingin sa'yo as long na kaya mo. Thank you. Thank you so much for friendships and camaraderie. And sana tatagan mo pa lalo at para mas mahaba pa yung time mo mag-serve kay Lord. And congratulations! Di ba sabi ko sa'yo? Kung makukuha mo yun, congratulations on your promotion. Thank you and happy birthday ulit.
Oh, happy birthday. I wish you the best. You deserve our love because you are so kind to us. Love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Needs. I love you. Salamat sa lahat. Basta all the best for you. Dito lang ako. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Needs. Happy birthday. Alam ko naman, maraming birthday ka pang darating. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday. Nasabi ko naman lahat na sa'yo. So, isa na lang. May you be blessed with peace and contentment always. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Nida. I love you.
Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. And more birthdays to come. Bye.
Happy birthday, Nida. May you have many more birthdays, good health, and long life. God bless you always. We love you.
Blessings sa'yo. And more happiness sa birthday mo. Okay, bye.
Hello, Ate Needs. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Needs. Happy birthday.
Ate Needs, good afternoon. Happy birthday. First to arrive kami in Tulo.
Wala. Magsasalita ba ako? Happy birthday, Needs. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day. Wish you all the best. God bless you, good health, and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, ate. I love you.